It's time to remove the intake, upper and lower valve covers, and install the new. Let's go. What's going on, BSG? So today we're gonna get this thing here off of here, get these valve covers off, and we're going to assess the situation as far as these valve covers. What we need to do. I bought a Dremel and some accessories so that we can get this stuff grinded out, and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like, and I think that's going to be it. So let's get started.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Down back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hearst. Give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed.
All right, so you can see right here, that mug been grinding down, and I don't even know when this crap started. I really don't, but we're gonna get it fixed and taken care of. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it fixed and taken care of. Now, let me get this here off of there. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna pick this thing up because it's loose. Well, I done unbolted it. I think I'm gonna just raise it up and bend it over backwards until I'm ready to until I'm ready to, to deal with this fuel rail. So let me get this stuff off of here. So y'all done see me do this, man. So I'm gonna get this stuff off here and gonna get back with y'all. Welcome back, guys. So I think I'm gonna go a different approach to this. First thing I'm gonna do is get clearance on these valve covers, so I can put these valve covers back on there so so nothing gets into the engine. And we got already got to replace the gaskets, but we're gonna do that after a while. going on, PSG? So, as you've seen, I lost some footage. So, I guess I'm going to have to walk you guys through it and let you guys know what I've done. And then we'll pick it up from there. Hopefully, my SD card will retain this footage so I can get this video out. But first thing first, as you can, let me show you here. We got some parts, man. We got parts for the black car, and we got parts for our lovely car over here. Yeah. As you can see, it's getting close to one. Well, basically it's all one color now. And what we're gonna do with this one, we're going to start, they call that thing, I can't even think right now. We're going to sand it some more, and block and sand is what we're going to do. There you go. We're going to block and sand it. I heard y'all say that. We're going to block and sand it. We're going to lay down a guide coat, and then we're going to do all the little other stuff we need to do to it. And I got my primer to paint through, to prime the plastic pieces, like the front bumper and the back bumper. And then we're going to get on with doing what we need to do to paint the engine bay. I already bought the paint, so just for the engine bay. So if I can get that laying good, flat and all that good stuff, then we will, and it looks good, then we'll paint the car. I'll paint the car, but it's going to be a minute because I got a couple of things to do first. One, I got a gas tank for that car that I need to put in. Also, I got springs for that car I need to put in. I want to do that first before I even go back and finish this up here. So we're going to get that done, and then we're going to just keep going, progressive. But let me show you what I got for the black car here. So first thing first is I have new injectors here. Come on out there. We got all new injectors right here that needs to go on. Another thing that I got is I got a fuel rail. I don't know if you guys can see that good enough. Hopefully you can. Got another fuel rail here, and I got the piece. We got all this right here. That's all back to factory. I had rubber lines in there at one point, but it's all back to factory now. So I got to put my my fuel gauge in and my transducer pressure gauge to go in, which is, hold on, let me grab it. Here's the transducer for the Terminator X, and here's the gauge that I just want to look at myself to see what the pressure is. So got two, but basically this is a pressure gauge. This is a pressure gauge as well, but it's a different type of pressure gauge. I can see this. Terminator X is looking at this one, and it also will read on my dash as well. But I just want to be able to see it myself. Analog like type shit. So, all right. So let me get this thing here set up, and well, before I do that, let me tell you what else I did. I redid the valve covers. You see me grinding them out, and I did that. Got the clearance squared away. Put on new valve cover gaskets, and that's basically it. New valve cover gaskets, new fuel rail with the screws. All the screws are in, which we're gonna take out anyway. And we're gonna put in our injectors. So let me get y'all set up so we can get to it.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leave. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not...
Always grease your O-rings on your injectors so you don't split them going in, which will create a fuel leak. That wasn't my issue. My issue for my fuel leak was over here where my transducer and my other gauge plugged in at. But we got that fixed now. Alright, so let's do a fuel check right quick. Hopefully my battery is up. No leaks. Let's put the top on this thing. We already got the gasket on there. Oh boy. Now. Trying to see something. Dude, I got an inch. I'm thinking about raising this up an inch, but that's gonna be later. I don't know what I did with my piece right here, but I misplaced it. It's around here somewhere. We don't need that right now. Anywho. There we go. So this here goes here. This one goes down to the oil, if I'm mistaken. Yep. breaker is plugged in. Now we need to put this here shit. Put that up. Let's get y'all that over there. Alright, y'all. So let me get this thing plugged up and everything plumbed, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Well, as you can see, we got it running. It ain't running right, but we got it running. It's missing a little bit and all that. No more chatter out of these things over here. So everything looks like it's gonna be good. I pulled the wires up out of there because something was looping up in there and over here, so we are looking good. So hey, welcome to the new subscribers. Appreciate y'all, man, keeping up with the content. We on to that next, and we gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.